Napakagandang dikdikan, parang finals preview ang Quezon versus Abra. Nag-ubusan ng hangin sa tindi ng laban. Bagsak ang defender ni Fuentes, pasok din ang 3-point shot, binuhat nila ni Manzano ang Quezon. Pero massacre ang ginawa ng Ildefonso Brothers, nag-init si DJ Fenner, binigyan din ng unang talo ngayon ang Quezon. Shoutout na rin sa mga nag-like, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Stature of Hierro, Cañete, and Tabi. Even Fuentes can stand his ground defensively as
knocks down the free. A good sign if you're Quezon. Fenner to answer right back and he hits it. The ball looked better but pinukpok talaga sila sa loob ng Abra and they had more rebounds, turnover points, and now scores. Back-to-back baskets for a 4-point lead for the Huskers.
there was no guy who can get... Simon Sandagon was more of a guy who wanted to...
Fuentes, pocket pass, Manzano, pasa sa labas, Tabi for three, book it. Wallet built for the community. Fenner turns around, jumper is good.
Against Sed Manzano and Will Macaloni, and that is something that we want to watch. This time around, it's Manzano.
Fenner trying to beat Campanal off the dribble, rising up for the jumper, making it look.
And just whatever you want from here, he is getting the steal.
Look out, DJ taking flight, lays it in.
Anong Defonso, Jake Figueroa, sabi siguro nila, kuha kayo ng malakas, kuha kami ng mas malakas pa. And they really want to get this back-to-back.
Lalata in traffic. Fenner tightly guarded by Campanal. 8 on their shot clock. Fenner one-on-one again. Knew it was, Finicinda. Pair of UP guards going at it. Manzano up and under against Raven Gonzalez. Figueroa, shot fake. No whistle. Fenner, another three-pointer. And he... Now, ni Jolo Manansala. Quezon on the run. Abate rising up, lays it in. Rasta. And then having to play, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin, no, na some guys, it's really tough for them to adjust.
Yan sa'yo, no, pag mali ka. And importante sa kanya ang oras. Pag hindi ka on time, nako, nakatingin na sa'yo ng masama yan. But obviously, both guys expected to make waves this season. Ken Juanito.
Hello, one of the newest acquisitions for Quezon. John Abate. Jumper is good. Of his third foul. Fuentes, open free. Cyrus Tabi. Lista mo na yan.
Taking a few. He's taking a lot, right? Here in the confidence, unheard of, but he's doing well in terms of his outside game. This time around, they're relying more on the inside, a lot more post options. That's why it's the same system.
And it's been guys like Cyrus Tabi, Judel Fuentes hitting shots.
Kyle goes up and then goes for the high-low to Sed Manzano. Or Sed Manzano goes up.
Under Cannon showing it immediately. His return here with the Quezon Huskers. Manzano off that nice drives. Blocked by DJ Fenner. Still enough time. Pitch ahead. Figueroa. The pass to David Defonso.
Manood sa 1x Sports ng kahit anong basketball live broadcast gamit ang ating promo code na Notch. I-scan mo lamang ang ating QR code.
Too strong. Rebound tracked down by Figueroa. But stolen away by Tabi. Finds Fuentes ahead. Blocked by DJ. DJ whips a pass to Jake Figueroa, goes downhill, the pocket pass Manzano, almost shuffled his feet inside, Cañete will float it up and in, Fuentes in front of him. DJ just rose up, out of contact, no whistle. Back the other way, Fuentes, another three-point attempt, book it!
Always, and sana makabalik ako and maka-represent ako for Oscars. Gagawin ko.
So part of the guys that they added, but how about this?
For Will Macaloni, back-to-back short jumpers.
DJ sumugot, the pump and the finish. Diego Dario surveying the floor, pulls up from three, good.
Pop has always been there. That's a terrific three coming from Diego.
Ildefonso, oh my! Three-point lead. Macaloni, more decisive this time. Unable to handle the pass. Dave ahead to Sean. Back to DI for free. Yes, sir!
These
Capanal, swing pass. Open look. Cañete hits it. David Defonso, DJ Fenner, Jake Figueroa, Drex De Los Reyes, and Mike Ayonayon.
pace, but Ayonayon quick to recover to get the block.
And Defonso recovers, puts it up, puts it in! Out Hierro for free, short. Manzano battling down low, he finally scores his first. Gets it back from Seth Manzano. Manzano dives. Hit finish, but a follow-up from Jolo Manansala.
That's the reason
The PBL. Skip pass to Jake Figueroa. 6 on the shot clock. Gonzalez and someone on the floor gets it. Rising up over David Defonso, straight but short. Figueroa tracks it down and gets it to DJ Fenner.
saktong sak.
10 seconds left. Not a lot of time left. Fuentes for free, no good. Manzano the rebound. 3 seconds left, and that's gonna do it. The Abra Solid North Weavers will survive